Hello, and welcome to the Charles County Master Gardeners Just for Kids video series. My name is Terry Thur, and I'm a Charles County Master Gardener. Today I will be demonstrating how to make a caterpillar. In your kit you're going to have 2 long pipe cleaners, 1 short pipe cleaner, pencil, 2 eyeballs, and some glue, and you'll need glue. You'll also have your instruction sheet, which is going to give you the material list I just mentioned, as well as the instructions on how to assemble your caterpillar. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is pick up your 2 long pipe cleaners, and you're going to gently twist them around the pencil. And you want to go slow because you don't want your colors to overlap each other. So just gently twist the pipe cleaners around the pencil until it's complete. Okay, so then you want to scrunch the pipe cleaners together to make it sort of tight, and then gently slide it from the top off the pencil. Next, take your short pipe cleaner and put it a little bit back, a few, maybe a few lines from the end of the caterpillar, which is like the head of the caterpillar, to create your antennas. The next thing we're going to do is glue the eyeballs. So you just want a small little dab of glue on each side of the head. And this is a little tricky. You have to place the eyeballs and just hold it for a few seconds to let it stick to the pipe cleaners. Okay, once you've got the eyeballs glued on, just set it down and let it sit for a few minutes to dry. And that is how you make a caterpillar.
We hope you have enjoyed watching our video. We welcome you to share photos of your activity on the Charles County Master Gardeners, University of Maryland Extension Facebook page. Also, please visit our website resources page at the URL shown on the screen and click on Just for Kids for more activities and information. Thank you for watching.